Hi everyone, this is Janine Pettit, founder of Girl Camper, and I'm here at Camco in Greensboro, North Carolina with...
Hey everybody, Scott here.
And we are talking about maintaining the roof on your RV. So there's two different kinds of roofs.
Right.
A hard roof and a rubber roof.
Correct.
So what's a girl to do?
Well, you got to figure out what kind of roof your particular RV has. If it has the hard roof, so this is just a one-step process. You're going to dump some of this in a bucket. It's great for getting the stains and...
So you need your extended handle cleaner up there.
Right.
Get those bird poop and anything up there that's just been sitting there baking in the sun. You want to get that all cleaned up?
Yep. It's going to help get rid of the stains, and it's going to leave a protecting layer.
Our roofs, this is important because our roofs are just baking in the sun, literally. So
Right.
we want to make sure they're nice and clean and get that protectant on there. So it's a one-step process for the hard roof people,
Correct.
but it's a two-step process if you have a rubber roof.
Right. The rubber roof cleaner comes in a two-step package.
Yeah, and they come together in one box.
Right. You got the step one, which cleans and gets rid of all the stains on your rubber roof. You're also going to use that with a bucket. You dump some in a bucket. Use a brush to scrub it, scrub the stains off.
Then you got to rinse it, right?
Right, then you got to rinse it off. Then you're going to apply the protectant with a mop, put it in a bucket, add some water.
And if you have a big motorhome, you literally are standing up there on the roof. You can stand
Correct.
on those.
Right, so the second step is going to add like a UV shield. It's going to keep your rubber roof from getting chalky.
And it is the UV rays that do all the damage to our roof. So
Right.
this is a way to extend the life of your RV. It's like
definitely.
a little step that we do that saves us a lot of problems down the line. Roof Talk here at Camco with Scott, our Camco know-it-all. Girl Camper, Janine Pettit, and Scott from Camco. Happy trails.